Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a bunch of fun, beautiful, thoughtful gifts for mom. A few of these products I am affiliated with, but I'm only recommending the products that I truly love, adore, and use. I hope you are able to find something that is going to be just perfect for your mom or for yourself. One great gift for mom that I think she will appreciate, even though it's for the house, would be a robot vacuum. I currently have two, one for upstairs and one for downstairs, and I just love it. I hate doing floors, and my house can be clean without me even thinking about it. You can set it up and program it, or in my case, I usually tell it when to start because I don't want it running over some mess that my dog or my cat made. So I usually will just tell Alexa, start Eric.
Start it to clean.
You can use Alexa to start and finish, send it home, or you can use the software. So like I said, I have the Roomba upstairs, and I find that this other one, I don't know the name, but the link is in the description. It's the best bang for the buck. My husband did the research on that one, and it turns out that I just love it. One problem with other robots that clean is usually they have an issue docking and plugging into the charger, and this one has no issue whatsoever as far as charging, so it's always ready to go. This one is very inexpensive. I'm not affiliated with them, but I really like the product, and I think that mom would absolutely enjoy not having to deal with floor. This one mops too, but it wouldn't be something that you would think, oh, okay, it's mop and done. If you want like a super sparkly clean floor, you have to do it yourself, but it's nice to have that option. So a robot, anything is fun. So this one is the one I choose as one of my ideas for you guys. Now, another gift idea would be anything from Boden. They just have the most elegant prints. I just adore their sophisticated colors and patterns. It's just one of those companies that has it right. Their cotton products come from sustainable farming practices. They have gorgeous summer dresses and refined florals. I just bought this pajama set, and I think a pajama set for mom would be really something that she would appreciate. Little something that makes you feel cozy, comfortable, and warm inside. I think it is a nice, sweet treat that you can give to mom. They come in long pants or in shorts. There's just something very sophisticated, everything English, very like garden-y. Of course, those are my passions. What is more luxurious than cashmere? This company has a mask, a robe, and slippers. And if you want to match all three of them, the only color I think that's available in all three is alabaster. One side of the mask is silk and the other one is cashmere. And you can have all of these embroidered. The lovely mom robe, it's embroidered with the word mom on the pocket. Very luxe. I would love to have that. I do not own that product, but it's a Mother's Day limited edition robe, so it's not going to be available all the time, but it is lovely. The only thing with cashmere products is they're either hand washed or dry clean only. One gift that I think would be just super lovely, and it's not something that we usually buy for ourselves, would be a flower subscription. There are several out there. I did find this company, it's called bouq. I really like their philosophy. So here they say that they partner with eco-friendly farms that minimize waste, recycle water, and use sustainable growing practices. It goes straight from the farmers to the client. It's kind of like a farm to table. This is a farm to vase. It's really cute. So they do have 3 types of programs. They have an original, deluxe, and grand for their subscriptions. I treated myself to a subscription of flowers as my Mother's Day gift this year. If you have a mom that really likes pampering herself with beautiful products for their skin or makeup, you can try a beauty subscription. And the one I just found out about is the glossybox. And they have all sorts of subscription sizes. You can do 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. And of course the pricing will be affected by the number of months that you subscribe for. I love candles, but for Mother's Day or for a special gift for mom, I think we can up that game a little bit and buy them an Agraria diffuser. It's an oil diffuser. And actually Agraria is this company out of San Francisco, and I just love their fragrances. I am spoiled and I have several of these throughout the house. My husband buys them for me on special occasions. So it's something that I really appreciate and he knows I like it. So this one is lemon verbena, and I think their large diffuser sets always come with a tray, diffuser oil, and then reeds for the top, which I prefer, or these flowers. This specific fragrance is my very favorite, lemon verbena. The top scents are Sicilian lemon, Caribbean lime, and middle would be lemon verbena and jasmine, and the base is a warm musk. Now, I don't love musk scents, but I cannot smell musk in this at all. I guess it would be like a woodsy smell that it has. It just has such a natural, gorgeous fragrance. I just reordered the refill and the reeds. They also have the essential oil bottles that you can use in your little water-based diffuser. So it's just very nice. By far, one of my favorite treats. All the botanicals that they use to create these fragrances are the finest, top of the line, natural botanics. There are no fake little scents to this. When you use a diffuser, you have to every now and then flip the reeds so the fresh oil will disperse more strongly once you flip the reeds. But you have to be very careful because the oil is so potent that it will damage surfaces, but still totally worth the risk. Butter London nail polish. This is my very favorite shade. I have a friend who likes to call nail polishes the ones that you cannot find just the right amount of glitter and elegance, a unicorn tear. So this is my unicorn tear color. It is called Splash Out, and you can see it's so beautifully glossy. I'm wearing it today. They say you only need 1 coat, but I find that 2 coats works best. And it has a warm tone to it and this beautiful sheen. It's just the most gorgeous color any time of the year, not just for a gift. I would love to have this. It's an easy color to apply. Most of their colors is a 1 coat. You can't make a mistake because of the color, and there will be no runs, and you don't have to be super careful. So it's just a quick little simple nice nail polish to have. It promotes strong, healthy nails. It contains hydrolyzed silk. It contains silk in it, and also vitamins B, C, and E, and horsetail extract, which supposedly is good for your nails. It does not have a whole bunch of the bad things that you don't want. I recommend. Now, for the mom that loves gardening, my very favorite tool set is the dewit. This company is originally from Holland. They offer a lifetime guarantee to their tools. And every time I use them, I love them. It makes me think of the Kuchenhof and the tulip flower markets. I have memories of ages ago of eating panekoeken in this quaint little restaurant near Lease. And panekoekens are these huge pancakes that they make in the oven with different flavors, and this restaurant actually offered like bacon and eggs besides the regular, you know, apples and currants and beautiful things. So delicious pancakes, wonderful memories. That's, I think, one of the things that you can think of when you're giving mom a gift. Try to make her remember something special that she likes and prefers. It's just another way to bring something additional to the gift. Attach that gift to a memory. The DeWitt company says that their tools are more than just a tool, that they are an heirloom, and that's because they carry a lifetime guarantee, and they are very sturdy. I don't take very good care of my tools. I can show you. They look awful because I just leave them out there in the rain, and you're not supposed to. But it doesn't matter. They'll last forever. They'll create their patina, and they will be fine. If anything ever happens to them, it's a lifetime warranty, so that will be taken care of. Let me tell you one trick on how you're supposed to take care of your garden tools. Put them in a bucket full of sand and baby Johnson oil. So any kind of oil works. Stir it all up, and then that's how you keep it. You will stick them in that bucket, and once it's in there, it will be cleaned, immediately scrubbed clean, and put a coat of oil in it to protect it from rusting. Now, while we're still talking about gardening tools, I have these clippers. Now, these are they're kind of expensive, but totally worth it. They're Japanese clippers, and I think they're forged out of steel. Super sharp. I was so afraid the first time I used them because they were so sharp and smooth. I think they might have lifetime warranty too. But I did buy them, I believe, through Amazon. So I will put a link on the description. Super sharp. They're recognizable because of the red and white handles. I hope that if you didn't find the gift that you wanted in this list, at least I got your thinking started, and maybe a new idea came up to find something just special for mom. At the end of the day, moms will love anything you give them. My oldest likes to write letters, and those letters are so much more meaningful than any gift a child can give a parent. But I think this list is more like for if I could buy myself something. Those are the things I would buy. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one, and I'll see you in a couple of days.